Well, here's the problem we found out with the Bobcat. The big positive battery cable melted the skin and everything and burnt itself right off right there. We went and we yanked on it because everywhere we're getting we had a positive ground for some reason. So went and bought a new cable there from Napa. Got some wire loom put in there. I'm gonna try to stretch that through the Bobcat now. We turn the lights on in here. Because it comes right here. We go under all this stuff, under all that, in there, through all this here, up into there, in through out here. This comes out up here by the starter. And it's it'll be a pain, but we'll get it. Sometimes you gotta conquer and diversify.
You don't have to worry about.
Okay, well, we got the Bobcat all wrapped up back together.
You're gonna be a crook. You're going.
See if it turns over. See if it turns over.
I thought he said it didn't.
Keep your fingers.
Preheat it for a while.
Yeah.
Hey, Micah! I'm talking to the banker here.
Yeah, Danny. He's got all the money.
Yep. The man with the plan. And a nice four-wheeler, too. I heard you bought that.
There it is, it's running.
Hey, that went good.
I did.
That was so smooth. The white Buicks are hovering around here. You see that?
All right, well, you guys seen, we got the Bobcat all done. Running good now. It was just that wire that was bad.
This is her.